how to sign up for Clickfunnels affiliate program as an affiliate so you can promote Clickfunnels products as an affiliate. Hi, my name is Pankaj Singh, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly step by step how you can sign up for Clickfunnels affiliate program so you can promote Clickfunnels products as an affiliate. Right guys, but guys, before telling this, I just want to say that guys, if you're a beginner and know nothing how to start your affiliate marketing business step by step, then down below I have put the link of my own ebook, that is Affiliate Commission Secrets. In that ebook, I have revealed everything that you need to know to build a solid affiliate marketing business step by step. So go and read my ebook, download the link, right? So now here, without any delay, let me show you how to sign up for Clickfunnels affiliate program as an affiliate, right? So now here, what you need to do, very first thing, go to whatsyourdreamcar.com. So this is the, you can say, domain that you need to type in your browser, whatsyourdreamcar.com, right? And here guys, what you need to do, you need to submit your name and last name, email address, phone number, your password, address, and then city, state, zip code, and country. So let me just give a name. You can see. Type it everything again, guys. Pankaj Singh and email address. gmail.com and phone number 85231. And yes guys, when you are going to submit your application so you can become an affiliate of Clickfunnels or any affiliate program, guys always submit your right information. Don't use fake information. I see that most people no doubt they want to make money, but whenever they are going to apply for any affiliate program, they submit their fake information. Come on guys, don't do that. It's not the right way, guys. You are doing a real business. Affiliate marketing is a real business, guys. So put your right information, guys, right? So now here, put your password. And address, okay, let it be 304 Chandigarh, right? And then city Chandigarh. Okay, now state Chandigarh, zip 15 India. And now here you need to hit that button, create your account. Yes, here you need to check this box and then create account. Yes guys, you can see that guys. Now I have created a new account. By the way, I have already my account. So now you can see that how to sign up for Clickfunnels affiliate program, right? Simply go to whatsyourdreamcar.com and then scroll to the bottom, and there you will find the application. Submit your information and then hit the button create account, right? So now here, this is your dashboard, guys, right? Clickfunnels dashboard. It's a new dashboard, guys, right? And now here you can see these are the products, guys, that you can promote as an affiliate, right? 30 days submit that you can promote as an affiliate. Let me just click on that. Let me just show you in new tab. You can promote one funnel average challenge, traffic secrets book, funnel challenge, .com secrets, expert secrets book, brick and mortar summit, 2 club live, funnel hacking secret, auto webinar, yes, that you can promote, perfect webinar script that you can promote, 5-day lead challenge that you can promote, and .com secrets summit, yeah, this you can promote. So let's assume you want to promote one funnel level challenge. So let me just right. So you can see that, guys, right? So this is your affiliate link that you need to promote, guys, right? When you click here, I'm talking about here, guys, right? So it's simply right click and then open a new tab. Then you will see there, right? There will be new page, and then hit that. You can say copy that link. So this is your link that you need to promote, guys. So if you click on that, then there will be a sales page, right? So if someone go through this submit, and there will be upsell, and if someone buy any product, you will be able to make commission, guys, right? And same thing, guys, this is training, one funnel level challenge training, guys. If you are really serious and really want to build your solid online business, then guys, I would highly recommend you do this training at least 4 months. This is one of the best training by one of the best coaches in the world, Russell Brunson. So yep, this is your link, guys. So if someone click on that and decides to register with this one funnel level challenge training, then you will be able to make $100 in commission, guys. By the way, down below I have put the link of this training, and you can go and register with that training, guys, right? So you can see that, right? And same thing, guys, right? So let's assume you want to promote book, guys, right? .com secrets book. So right click, yeah. So this is your link, guys, right? So yeah, you can see that what are the upsells. So yep, if someone go and buy this book, then yes, you will be able to make $1. And then if someone buy upsell, if you $37, then yes, you will be able to make 14.87 right in commission, and then 38.80, 99.60, then $125. So if someone buy this funnelytics, yeah, one time offer, right, in the funnel. So guys, this is you can say what you can do, guys, right? If you want to promote .com secrets book, simply grab this link, and this is your you can say final link that you need to promote, guys, right? You can see it's sales page, .com secret sales page, right? Yeah. Right. So guys, I hope now you know that how to sign up for Clickfunnels affiliate program as an affiliate, right? So these are the products, right? And yes, whenever you make any commission, your commission will be showing here, guys, right? And same thing, your commission will be showing here. There will be a blue bar, right? So whatever commission will be, it will be shown here, guys, right? So yes, guys, this is all about for today, guys, right? And yes, guys, one thing as I always say, and I would like to say, whenever you are going to promote any affiliate product or Clickfunnels product, first I would say, guys, go through the product or go through the training first yourself, and then go and start promoting it, guys. You tell me, if someone comes to you and asks more information about that very product, then guys, if you are the actual user of that very product, then guys, you will be in a better position to explain about very product. If you are not, then guys, yeah, somewhere you will be saying everything on air, guys, because you are not the actual user, guys, right? So yes, it's a good practice, guys. Before promoting any affiliate product in any niche, first you go through the product, and when you think that yeah, it's a good product to promote, then go and start promoting it. Never ever promote any product that you are not using personally, and you don't find any valuable thing in that product, right? Don't promote anything just for the sake of money, guys. People buy because of the trust. So when trust is gone, your business is gone, guys, right? So keep that in your mind. Always promote something that you are using personally and found it of great value, right? So yes, guys, now you know how to sign up for Clickfunnels affiliate program. And yeah, if you have any question, you can ask a question. I will try my level best to answer you, right? And yes, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please go and subscribe to my channel. Down below there is also bell notification button. Go and hit that bell notification button so that you can get the notification about my upcoming training that are related to affiliate marketing, right guys? So yes guys, thank you so much for watching. Love you and have a nice day. Bye bye.